Okay, so let's look at bridges the generational gap, coming of age, and hit it off. So, bridge generational gap means to make a connection between two people, say old and young. So this article bridges the generational gap. You see, not everyone might see eye to eye or understand things exactly, but when something comes along, it bridges the generational gap so they both understand what it means. There's a common connection between the generations. There's something they have in common. Yeah. And coming of age, to grow up and be more mature because of something. So you might go through an experience, a coming of age tale, coming of age story, or a coming of age journey. It is a coming of age story and quite personal. By doing these things, you are slowly coming of age. You're going from being a child or a teenager into adulthood. You're becoming a grown up, essentially. It happens over time, you just grow up. It's amazing, beautiful, that's life. So it is a coming of age story, and it's quite personal. You grow up. You grow up over time. And to hit it off, to be friendly and get along really well. Like you're going to meet someone for the first time. How will it be? Would you be friends? Would it work? Would you have things in common? But they hit it off and they get along really well. They hit it off really quick and easy. They hit it off and they're good friends. They have something in common, common interests. Hit it off. Very good. How cool is that, language explorers? Bridges the generational gap, coming of age, and hit it off. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.